Home business entrepreneurs Tom and Jono Armstrong have just put the final touches on a one-of-a-kind resource with over 28 different ways you can make money working from home with just an internet connection. Which means there's no need for a budget, a website, any tech skills or experience, advertising an email subscribers list, or social media followers. Just this resource and an internet connection. Once a member, you'll get instant access to the exact same methods Tom and Jono use to get paid for over and over again. The majority of the methods inside the Emergency Income Kit are very easy to do. So easy that anyone can do several of them on the same day to multiply your profits. Whether you're a factory worker, business owner, construction worker, unemployed from California, New York, Italy, or anywhere else on the planet, if you've got an internet connection, you can make money online with the Emergency Income Kit. To check us out, visit downloadyourcash.com, where both Tom and Jono will be anxiously waiting to welcome you aboard. Thanks for watching.